Hello friends, in this session we will learn the difference among the words catch, hold and carry. These three words are action words. Let us know the tense forms first. Catch, caught, caught. Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. Verb 2 and verb 3, past tense and past participle, we find same spelling. Next word, HOLD, hold. Past form is held, HELD, held. Past participle also is HELD, held. Present tense, past tense, past participle. So here also we find same spelling in past tense and past participle. And the third word is CARRY, carry. CARRIED, carried. CARRIED, carried. So here also verb 2 and verb 3 have same spelling. Catch, caught, caught. Hold, held, held. Carry, carried, carried. Okay. People will get confused when they use these three words. These three words will give the same meaning but they are used in different situations. Let us know the meaning of these words. CATCH, catch. Meaning of catch is take into our hands. Suppose anything comes from other side or from somewhere, or somebody throws anything, we want to take it into our hand. So there we have to use catch. For example, I catch the ball which comes from the other side. And one more example we can learn here. Some children catch butterflies. Butterflies will be flying, so some children want to catch them. Some children catch the butterflies. And the next word, HOLD, hold. The meaning of hold is keep in the hands. We catch the ball, then we keep in the hands for some time. There we have to use hold. For example, I hold the ball after catching it. And one more example. Old people hold sticks in their hands. They keep the stick in their hand for support. So there we will use hold. And the last word is carry. CARRY, carry. The meaning of carry is take somebody or something from one place to another place. That means we hold something and we take it from one place to another place. There we have to use carry. Example, I carry the ball to somebody. That means we keep the ball in the hand, then we hold the ball in the hand, we take it to somewhere, we move a little, then we hand it over to somebody or we throw it to somebody. One more example we will use here. Children carry their bags to schools. And we find school children using catch in the place of hold or carry. When school children want their friends to, when they request their friends to hold or to carry their bags, they use catch. Please catch my bag, they use. It's not catch. They have to use hold. Please hold my bag for some time, or please carry my bag to my house or to school. I hope you understood the difference among these words. Right. We will use here among, not between. If only two words are here, we use between. More than two words or more than two people or more than two things we find, we should use among. I hope you understood the difference of these three words. Let us meet in next session. Thank you.